Hi guys, today I will open the case of iPhone. So Pro clip. So let's open. This is not original. Okay, so let's open. So this is the this I don't know. So this is the case. One piece. This is the 3 camera there. This is flash. This is what I don't know. What's this? So then the other one is full screen curve glass super film. 911 black 3.6 processor. Perfect fit in 3D. This is silicone case. Silicone. Okay, so this is silicone case for iPhone. Also, this is the picture of your phone. You can show off your phone if you want to use this case, but if yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.